Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. Firstly, just go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose security section. After that, click on screen lock under device security and tap on the best login method that you wish to set up, pattern, PIN or password. Then you need to enter your login method. If you made a mistake, you can always correct it by choosing clear at the bottom left corner. Then input your login method again and tap on next at the bottom right one. Now you need to repeat it in order to confirm it and choose confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Then answer this question by choosing one of those answers. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want to see any of them, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and click on done. Now when I go back, turn off my screen, turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!